Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can move your photos to an iCloud from your phone storage or to your iCloud. What you need to do is just go to your settings. After going to the settings, just tap on your ID, and after tapping on your ID, as you can see that there's an iCloud, just tap on it. And after tapping on iCloud, as you can see, this is the section save to iCloud. Just tap on the photos here option here. After tapping on the photos option, make sure that your option sync this iPhone will enable. After enabling this option, it will automatically store every photo within your phone to your iCloud. You can also selectively make sure that which kind of photo should be stored in your iCloud by sharing the albums and sort it out. So that's how you can easily move your photos to an iCloud, and you can store them in your iCloud or cloud storage, making sure they are safe on an iCloud. So I hope this has sorted your problem out. Thank you for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.